take a look inside in you. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today it's just a reminder to each and every one of us. Take a look inside in you. As it says in Proverbs 4:23, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. One of our main responsibility is to keep negative emotions and attitudes out of our heart. You can stop offenses, disappointments, hurts, jealousy, or anger from coming. But you are going to let those negative take root, get down into your spirit, contaminate your joy, take your energy, and open up to sickness and defeat? No! Keep your soul healthy. And how can we keep our soul healthy? Be aware always to take a look inside in you. What are your feelings? What you are feeling right now? Be aware of the negative feelings. As the scripture says, to make sure that no root of bitterness springs up and many become deployed. Pull up the roots of unforgiveness. Pull up the roots of insecurity, guilt, and condemnation. Don't let your soul become poison. If your soul is bitter, if your emotional well-being is contaminated, it's going to affect your physical health as well. Therefore, it is very important that we must have control always to take a look what is inside in you. I'm asking you to look inside yourself. Are you positive, hopeful, and grateful? Are you weighed down with stress, burdens, and worry? It's time to get your soul healthy. Don't just try to deal with the symptoms. Pull up the bitter roots. Start turning things over to God. Release the worry, the hurt, and what didn't work over. Live from the place of trust and guarding your heart. We must guard our heart and keep it free from all the negative emotions and attitudes, and try to enter and take out the root which is negative. Believe and declare that you are going to stay aware and pull up any roots before they can grow. Pull up the negative roots before they can grow. You have a choice to live a healthy soul. You are the one who can change your negative feelings and negative attitude. Because both a healthy soul as well as a healthy body is important. But before you can do that, you must be aware always to take a look inside in you. What are those negative feelings, negative energy, negative thoughts must be taken away. Because, again, as it says in Romans 4:28, above all else, guard your heart, for anything you do flows from it. See, according to what we are doing, according to what we are thinking, according to what are our attitude, we have to work on with it. We must every now and then take a look inside in us so we know what are the things we needed to change in order to live our best life. We have to control and take away the negative roads, take away those negative thoughts, and put the positive input, positive affirmation, positive, healthy thoughts that can give you a good and healthy life. You have a decision to make to change your surrounding, to change your lifestyle through taking a look within yourself. If it is very difficult, again, journaling is very important here. Take a look with yourself, write it down, and change what is not working within you. You are the one who can control those negative roots within you. Decide to live your best life today. It's never too late to change our lifestyle. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.